I want to assure you that we continue to support what is going on today. We'll continue to identify with this memorial lecture, and we look forward to other faculties coming up with memorial lectures for our distinguished scholars that have created what has become the #1 university in Nigeria. And let me just say this, letting the cat out of the bag. Just yesterday, 2 days ago, a new world ranking was released for universities in the world, and the UNN University was ranked among the first 2,000. But what is more important, University of Nigeria was not, I said #2, somebody corrected me and said the University of Nigeria is actually #1 in Nigeria, followed by University of Ibadan, University of Lagos, Obafemi Awolowo University, and the rest of them. Wow. There were only about 5 universities that were ranked among the first 2,000. So I want to commend our scholars, our students, our researchers, and to let you know that your work is being noticed worldwide. And I can only ask you to keep it up. Keep the flag flying. We shall definitely restore the dignity of man. Thank you.
Beautiful. Thank you.
Thank you very much, the Vice-Chancellor. It's a pleasure. And of course, can we have a round of applause for the new ranking with the University of Nigeria? First 2,000 in the world, that's no mean feat.